Hello everyone, hope you are having a good day. Today we are going to be studying further from chapter 1 of grade 10 chemistry. This chapter is chemical reactions and equations. Today we are going to be studying about some types of reactions, not all but some. In the previous session we had learned how to balance a chemical equation. We will learn about the types of reactions. The first type of reaction we have is the combination reaction. Now what is combination reaction? Such a reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as combination reaction. Now what does this mean? Let us take a look at an example. A single product is formed, meaning the product is single. This is calcium hydroxide in the aqueous form. From two or more reactants, we have two reactants, calcium oxide and water. These two are combining in one to form calcium hydroxide. Thus this is known as combination reaction. Now there is also one example, magnesium plus oxygen combining to reacting to become magnesium oxide. This is magnesium, this is oxygen, and this is magnesium oxide. I hope you understood that well. Next we have a paragraph that is talking about slaked lime. Calcium oxide, CaO, reacts vigorously with water plus H2O to produce slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. This is the same reaction that we had studied here. Also, do not forget to note the solid, liquid, and aqueous or gas form. It is very important. Releasing a large amount of heat. So this is also an exothermic reaction. We will study later, but now you are studying in the form of combination reaction. A solution of slaked lime produced by the reaction is used for whitewashing walls. What do you mean by whitewashing walls? It means to paint walls, or to plaster walls, etc. Calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with carbon dioxide in air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls. Now how can we express this in the chemical form? This is equation 1. Next we have another equation, calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with CO2 in the air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate in the walls. Calcium carbonate is formed after 2 to 3 days of whitewashing and gives a shiny finish to the walls. Now, you have to tell me in the comment section if this reaction is balanced or not, and if it is not balanced, then please balance it if it is not. Next we have few examples of combination reaction. First we have burning of coal, that is carbon plus oxygen is equal to or reacting to become carbon dioxide. Then we have formation of water, hydrogen plus oxygen reacting to become water. Then we have burning of natural gas, that is methane, CH4 plus oxygen react to become carbon dioxide plus water. Now, in these three equations, tell me which are balanced and which are not balanced in the comment section, and balance the ones which are not balanced. Okay, as I talk about, we are coming to exothermic reaction. An exothermic process releases heat and causes the temperature of the immediate surroundings to rise. Okay, let us look at in detail. For example, we have an equation here: glucose, that is 6 C6H12O6, plus oxygen reacting to become carbon dioxide and water, plus energy, that is in the form of heat. This is an example of exothermic reaction. This is an example of exothermic reaction. Glucose, carbon 6, hydrogen 12, and oxygen also 6, plus oxygen react to become 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water. Next, we have an endothermic reaction. Now, what is an endothermic reaction? It is the opposite of the exothermic reaction. An endothermic process absorbs heat and cools the surroundings. The decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example of exothermic reaction. Now, the decomposition of vegetable matter into compost, it absorbs heat, and this is an example of endothermic reaction. I hope you understood that clearly. This was a really short lesson, but I hope you understood the three types of reactions: combination reaction, uh, exothermic reaction, and endothermic reaction. Now I want you to list one type of each reaction, and that reaction should not be mentioned in this video. I hope you understood this topic, and if you did like this video, then please give a like and share the video and tell others to subscribe and also subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.